Building a profitable business is hard enough. Building one that moves the needle on global human well-being can feel like throwing darts in the dark. To stop guessing, we need an empirical map. This is the 2025 edition of the Digital Economy Navigator, published by the Digital Cooperation Organization. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to use the data inside this report to take a completely blank slate and engineer a validated, rigorously tested business concept. We are looking for precise, proven structural gaps. Where those gaps exist, demand is high and supply is completely absent. Step 1. Map the framework's 3 dimensions. The left column, digital enablers, tracks baseline infrastructure. The middle, digital business, measures private sector IT and innovation. Finally, digital society tracks where technologies intersect with human needs, like health and sustainability. To begin your business thesis, select exactly one pillar from that final column. That is your target problem area. For our working example, let's zero in on the access gap in telehealth services under the Digital for Health and Education pillar. A highly profitable impact startup lives exactly at this intersection. You are applying a private sector business solution to solve a proving society problem. Step 2 is locating the right market by checking the index's designated maturity levels. The index categorizes countries into stages, starting with nascent and emerging for those in the earliest phases of digital adoption. It is easy to look at a lower maturity score and assume the region is too underdeveloped for investment. This chart illustrates the opposite reality. A lower current maturity level directly correlates with a higher total addressable market. These are the regions with the highest possible growth ceilings for early-stage tech. Next, check the untapped market potential data points for your specific pillar. This visualization breaks down global deficits. In the telemedicine column, an estimated 868 million people lack access. Narrowing our focus, 69.6% of surveyed users report basic digital skills, but almost 0% possess advanced skills. Step 3 is the reality check. We cross-reference our target market with their digital enablers to verify physical capacity exists. This section shows 5G coverage is as low as 17.4% in parts of Africa, killing cloud-heavy apps. Under payments, 40% of connected users made 0 digital transactions last year. Finally, e-commerce development is explicitly held back by underdeveloped postal systems. A great solution will instantly collapse if the underlying math of the local infrastructure does not support it. Step 4 is bringing it all together. Condense your societal problem, market data, and infrastructure constraints. We use a formula to build the thesis. I am building a mobile cybersecurity platform in MENAP countries to solve the capabilities gap. This single sentence now serves as the empirically validated foundation for a focused business model. We started with a blank slate and used objective data to isolate a real human problem, verify the market demand, and confirm the infrastructure. The data underpinning this process covers 80 countries. That represents 85% of the global population and 94% of total global GDP. To run this framework for your own concept, head to den.dco.org and pull the specific country data summaries. Engineering societal change requires this level of precise, data-driven business model.